Hello there people, welcome to another video. It's your boy X-Ray Delta and we are now in NMX round 2. So yeah, first race we didn't do too bad, but because of time penalties obviously went down into 7th. So yeah, we're here in Imola. I'm going to see if we could do a little bit better than we did last time. Just a pre-warning, if you haven't watched the race before, to keep up to date, make sure to go back and watch everyone. It was a great race. Lots of action. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and have a great time with the past me.
Safety car, it might actually not be a long ass race today. That's what takes the piss. Do you know a bit about it? Because I've made this YouTube thing into a series, even if I crash out, I still just got to upload like, whoa, that was close. That TJ man nearly took F1ology right out. Fucking hell. My teammate on mediums, you clever bastard. That means we're on alternate strategies. Love that.
Oh, you're on soft.
I'm on softs, he's on mediums, yeah. Well, I thought, fuck it, I might as well. If it won't let me go from soft to mediums, I might as well. After faster tire at the start. Oh, you fucking idiot. This TJ man's going to be difficult to overtake, I can already tell, because he's dangerous.
Yeah, that's my teammate.
He's dangerous, mate.
It's not my normal teammate though, I don't think. He's tier 1.
I think is it the same guy or not?
No, he's gone.
Oh, I've got a new teammate then.
Pretty
That's
sure.
what I mean, he's in P13, so. I was hoping he'd be like first. But, you know. Good luck, boys.
Hello everybody! What's your name then?
Oh no, never mind, RGB is your teammate. Is it? No, RGB's not your teammate. Normally.
Come on,
Is
RJ baby, got this. Where are you?
No, he's normally your teammate. Your teammate could
Oh, I
race
see
the first
you.
race. You had that guy beginning with B, I
Right.
can't remember what his name was.
Just in case this is uncut, welcome people to the YouTube video. Round 2, alright Imola, let's go.
Oh! George teammates out. Five-second penalty. 10-second penalty.
Kate took him out.
No, I didn't.
What's F1ology doing? It's because the people around you, if they tap you, you get a penalty. I think that's what he just tried to do to me, the cheeky fucker. Lovely. The tyres are nice and warm.
The track is clear. Green flag.
Yeah, look, that's what setup does. I'm so much faster on the streets. Oh yes, get up, you've done.
George just spun out again.
The teammate just tried to wipe me out.
Who's mine?
Yours. You just done itself in the belt.
Chocobro's behind me.
That's fine with me. That puts me right involved. Oh yes, me and Big Balls have caught up. Yeah, I'm trying to save my RS, but it's not working. Oh my god, this is fucking mental. Fucking hell, man. Are you telling me? That Williams just really ran me off, man.
On. I'll give you a race, Chocobros. Purple S2. What I'll give you.
They're so bunched up at the front, it's mental. Literally, if it stays like this.
Nice move. Good job.
Bye, Tay.
Green flag.
Ah!
Oh! The Williams just smashed one of the Ferraris straight off. Oh my god, that Ferrari's going to be fuming. I'm at the P3, come on. This Haas is dangerous, man. He just took that Ferrari right out mine. I can't imagine he's going to be here next week. Now he's Brett cheat. Oh, fuck off then. I'll ram you, dickhead.
Okay, copy that.
Fucking dickhead, man. You're so lucky. Oh, you're lucky I like this league, because I would have just took you straight out. For fuck's sake. Cheating, little scum. You're just slow as fuck. You are, now I've accidentally given someone else it. Fuck's sake. My old teammate. Brilliant.
What are you saying? So you're catching up to Clay, you can't catch up to Clay.
Exit now.
Yeah.
I swear, if this went a YouTube recording, I would have been gone already. Because that is a joke, man.
Okay, you only have to stop once now.
What's that, Williams? What one? F1ology, he's dodgy.
Isn't that shit? I told him that, I said it straight to him in the chat. I said, you've got shit internet.
Oh my god, I swear one more person brake checks me, I swear I'm gonna go nuts. Fuck me, brake at the red, not the orange. God, this F1ology is so slow. This F1ology is holding me up, mine. This is actually killing my race. You're in better stead than me because I've gone soft to soft, so I still got to pit again anyway. So, oh, fuck's sake.
Sorry, if you do end up taking me out by accident, you can take it to go on Apex early. Oh, no, I know I haven't.
Right, nice.
People in front of me get penalties. There's the cunt that fucking brake track me. Oh! What a lovely move.
Watch him, Tate. He's dodgy.
Up to P9.
Purple S1. Come on then.
Did you just go over the fucking grass? Oh. Oh, Jenna's just been fucking rammed off track by him.
6 seconds.
Yeah, that DRS is something else.
Good job. That was the fastest
Yeah.
lap of the race so far.
I said fuck it, I did a Kimi Raikkonen through the smoke. Just fucking go for it.
Incident on track resulting in loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time, and there are no plans for a safety car right now. There's been
Yes!
on track, but officials
But we're going mediums or hards.
I'm going straight onto hards.
drop your speed. Our delta is too low.
So I ain't got to pit now.
Slow your pace immediately.
My
Mediums
mediums
go to the end.
What, 22 laps?
Do you reckon? Oh, fuck it then, we'll try it. Right.
Confirmed. We'll receive you at the end of this lap.
We'll do mediums, that's exactly what we want.
There's no thing. Yeah, I will get rid. Oh, my
So many
teammates
people on the
pitted.
pits.
My teammates pitted the fucking gimp. I'm gonna come out late, but I'll get rid of my 5-second or I'll have a 3-second penalty.
Come on, boys.
Wait, it took them 10 seconds to start. They got rid of the whole 8. No, 3. What? It took them 10 seconds to start on my car, but I've already got rid of 5 seconds.
No idea. 13th.
No. Oh, these don't feel nice right now.
I can
Oh,
promise you they'll be nicer than hards. Yes, Clay! It's a good shout, to be fair. Just nurse some rain. Yeah, we got loads of time.
That's why I think I should have went on hards.
But the amount of grip you would have had less would be unreal.
He's a dick, is what he is. You got sour that I overtook him. Must have, because as soon as I overtook him, he tried taking me out, tried fucking dive bombing you.
Yeah, your teammate did the same to me, Clay. We were coming down to the, not the last corner, the one before it. Mate, he just chucked his car up the inside, but he only had one little wheel there, so he broke a bit of his wing. So what is the point? You don't, like, you would have got me in the DRS.
Yeah, I could have gone, my softs could have gone probably 5 more laps. But I thought, fuck it,
This
may
has
as well
saved
now.
my race, to be honest.
Nope, he's out.
No,
Oh, yeah,
Aiden's
no, he's
behind me on the mediums.
Yeah, I was behind Georgia.
Let's catch up to the field a bit. We're dropping too far back. Remember that we need to stay
Fuck out,
within
Jordan. I'm a
10
bit of a
car
dodgy
lengths
breaker,
at
by
a
the way.
time.
Fucking hell, I'll stay back a
It's
tiny
because of the
bit
people
now.
in front of me. Look how packed it is up front.
Oh yes, Tay, you're here as well.
I hate this Mercedes. No, this country in
Oh
front of me.
shit, sorry Clay. Fucking hell, that was close.
I'm just reacting to what's happening in front of me.
Alright. No, that was me then, not you. Yeah, it very likely will be, because everyone's caught up now. Sorry Clay, but it will be going for you off the start. Just
Oh,
warning
you do you.
Okay, let's get ready to go racing.
Oh, you dickhead.
When the field accelerates, remember there is no
You gotta remember
overtaking
Tay's in front of him as well, mine.
safety car in this lap.
Don't stay as a safety car. Yes, that's your teammate! I'm actually not gonna die anymore.
I'm just doing a Kimmy, fuck it. I'm not warm up, fuck them. They're warm. Oh, he fucked that corner. He ain't liking they hards. I already knew he was going to go on my outside. And
Yeah, I had to brake though, because if I kept going I would have smashed straight into the back of you.
Track resulting in loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time, and there are no plans for a safety car right now.
Oh shit! Fuck me, Clay, we survived that. Oh shit! Fucking hell. Oh my god, I've gone for something that wasn't even there then.
Same Jordan's okay.
What are you doing? I'm alongside you, for fuck's sake! Your teammate's a Ming, Tay! Oh god, he's a Ming! Get past him, for fuck's sake! Don't you dare try and go side by side here, of course you will, because you're a Ming. That's what Mings do. I've lost so much time to the pack in front because of him.
Okay, slow down. You're
Fucking hell, this ain't reduced, is it, at all?
reduce your pace.
Not even close to reduced. Oh, you're so lucky. Your teammate's getting blasted off the start, you watch. Absolutely blasted. Yes, Clay! By me, how's it going, lad?
Fuck it, I don't know how I survived all that. And if Aiden has a go at me, that's Aiden or Hungry having a go at me, fuck off.
Why?
Because he
Why
came
you?
side by side with me and he tried going through a gap that wasn't there.
Yeah, if it was... Yes, Aiden.
It was right after the that crash
Yeah.
that you said, oh, we've both made it through. He tries going through it. I'm like, well, it's yellow flag for one.
Yeah.
Says catch safety car queue. You're right in front of me.
Safety car is in this lap. Safety car in this lap. Let's make sure those tyres are up to temperature, and remember, there is no overtaking until the timing line. Stay in position until the green flag.
Oh, I'm going for him, Tay, so don't worry. I'm going for him. No, I'm going beside him. If they're holding us up like
spun out, I'm
that...
hitting him sideways.
Oh...
For your teammate.
Nah. Was it your teammate? Oh my god, I told you, he's a clown. What is he doing?
Stiff Masters and Ming, he's getting kicked.
Let me know you're okay.
Did you just see that?
Yeah.
And there you go, guys. As you can see, the Mercedes just absolutely took us straight out of the race. Just a little backstory. He has been dealt with and has been given a 1 race ban, so there will be no Mercedes in the next race. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a short one, but yeah, let's keep smiling, and I'll see you soon.